There's massive worry about the future of music amid the rise of AI-generated OPM songs going viral. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, ang ating mobile journalist, Francis Rivera.
Many people are getting hooked on songs where OPM tracks are turned into rap versions. Perfect if you're going through a relapse.
Here's to the old times and the best of the new ones. Here's to a song of glee. 'Cause this angel has flown away from me.
Did you know that these songs are actually AI generated? According to composer and music professor Jerry Olaguer, technology has made music creation much easier compared to before.
Andiyan na yung technology. Pwede tayo mas mabilis makapaggawa ng kanta, makapag-record ng mas mabilis. Dati kasi, what you call analog recording, it takes really long hours. Kasi pag nagkamali ka, ulit. Pag nagkamali ulit. Kaya kailangan ng mga re-recording nangyari ng mga artists noon, singers, talagang para alam na yung kanta. Otherwise, tatagal kayo sa recording studio. Ngayon, merong cut and paste na lang.
He added that songs can now be made in just minutes, raising concerns about the impact on the music industry.
Kaya talaga yung, doon na tayo magdidepende sa AI generated. Threat yan sa paglago ng totoong music, ng totoong creativity. Nakakagulat, nakakamangha, pero nakakatakot. Apektado lahat yung mga possible artists, singers, instrumentalists. Hindi ka nagagastos. So, apektado yung mga pwede mong kursa ng muning artists and instrumentalists na hindi sila mababayaran, hindi mo sila magagamit. So, sayang kita. Wala na sila kikitain kasi hindi na sila kailangan ng mga songwriters.
He noted that while AI-rendered songs are flawless, they fail to convey the warmth of a true song.
It's so perfect. Yung sobrang pagkaka-perfecto ng pagkagawa, ng kunyari, madinis ang kata, walang flat, walang sharp. O sobrang perfect, pero hindi mo maramdaman, AI na yun for me. Okay lang na hindi ganun ka-eksakto, pero yung puso, yung mararamdaman mo yun Kasi yung hindi pwede makopya ng AI, yung laman ng puso mo, ng mind mo.
He believes that getting ideas from AI is acceptable. However, original creativity makes all the difference.
Masyado kasing nag-independent tayo sa technology or AI itself. Baka yung kaya mo pa magawa, hindi naman nurture. Do something no one has ever done. Meaning from you, not AI.
Mga kapatid, mobile journalist Francis Rivera, we are One News.